Ford Motors is facing a financial crisis as its electric vehicle division lost $1.8 billion in Q2 2023 alone, with $32,000 on every EV sold. The company received a $9.2 billion loan from the U.S. government in June 2023 to avoid bankruptcy, but it may not be enough to save the company from collapse. Ford's EV business has previously lost $2.1 billion on an operating basis and forecasts an adjusted loss of $3 billion for its EV units in 2023. The F-150 Lightning, initially successful, is facing issues like limited production capacity and supply chain issues. Customers may wait until 2024 or later to receive their vehicle. Ford has also contacted owners about a high-voltage battery pack degradation issue affecting the Lariat extended range model, potentially causing range loss and performance loss. Ford is working on a software update to fix the issue. The NHTSA has recalled the F-150 Lightning, affecting around 1,800 vehicles built between May and July 2022. The issue involves microscopic cracks in the rear light bar, causing reverse lamps to fail, reducing visibility, and increasing crash risk. Ford plans to notify owners and dealers and implement a fix by Q4 2023. Ford's CEO Jim Farley tested the F-150 Lightning electric pickup truck's performance and range across the U.S., sharing his experience on LinkedIn and X, a former Twitter-like social media platform. Farley faced challenges while charging his electric truck in Coalinga, California, where Tesla superchargers were not compatible with Ford EVs. He compared this to a fast charger in Barstow, California, which offered speed and convenience. Ford is partnering with Tesla to make the supercharger network accessible to Ford drivers starting in spring 2023. This will allow Ford EVs to charge at over 25,000 worldwide superchargers using an adapter, addressing the lack of a standardized and reliable charging infrastructure for electric vehicles, EVs. This move aims to address the issue of varying charger speeds and costs among EV manufacturers. The Biden administration has provided Ford with a $9.2 billion loan under the Build Back Better Act, aiming to promote clean energy transition and job creation in the U.S., while also challenging Tesla with its electric vehicle lineup. Ford faces challenges in its electrical vehicle business, including limited production capacity, supply chain issues, battery degradation, recalls, and customer satisfaction. The company must compete with China, which has the largest market share and production capacity. In August, Ford obtained a $4 billion line of credit to manage market uncertainties, adding to its $47 billion total liquidity at the end of Q2. Ford, despite maintaining a strong cash and liquidity position, has issued a cautionary statement in July highlighting economic headwinds such as rising inflation. This rising inflation affects the cost of materials, components, and overall production costs, potentially eroding profit margins and making it a pressing issue for automakers to manage and invest in their business. The warning suggests the need for increased industry-wide incentives like rebates and discounts, which automakers often increase to maintain market share and maintain profitability as competition intensifies. The increasing demand for electric vehicles, EVs, is putting pressure on EV pricing, and intense competition in the market forces automakers to lower prices. Warranty expenses also contribute to the economic challenges faced by automakers, making it difficult to generate healthy prices. Despite these economic challenges, Ford remains committed to the future of electric vehicles and new technologies. They have ambitious plans to invest over $50 billion in electric vehicle development through 2026. Although currently Ford's electric vehicles are not generating profits, they hold optimistic expectations for achieving an 8% profit margin on these vehicles by 2026. I respect continuing to wait until the finish line. For more videos about the most recent automotive news like this, please consider subscribing to Car Time.